What's up, YouTube? Caleb here, also known as Railroad Boy 231. Winch came on. Hayden, you didn't do a good job in putting the winch back on, but today we are reviewing a first-year truck, Hayden the Burger King. That's not a channel, but I'll call him Hayden the Burger King. He's our cameraman. He's part of our YouTube team. He's the cameraman. I'm the main character. Jonah's the co-main character, so that means we're usually both in the video. Then Connor's is the narrator, but Connor's not here, so we're gonna review our first-year truck. Well, it's my first-year truck. It is a Freightliner M2 McNeilus rear loader garbage truck. So what it can do, it has good capabilities. It's got the hood opening. It's got an opening back. It's got a crusher. And you can wheel a trash bin over. There's nothing in it because this is just a demonstration. And then you can dump the trash into the truck. Come on. There. Sorry I'm forceful. I try to take as much care of it as I can, but I'm still learning the ins and outs on this grabber that grabs the can. So, but the lids can open. You can put tiny pieces of trash in it. So yeah, and it has a detailed underside. Oops. This wish that winch would stay. And then it's a waste management. www.wm.com. The doors do not open. Very high quality truck. Heavy as heck. So it's for the demonstration. We're gonna use these different trash cans and there's gonna be two different imaginary houses. And so here comes hey guys, it's garbage day. Here comes the garbage truck. Oh yay, it's here. We can finally get our trash taken out. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Oops. I said oops instead of oops.
Next can.
It's such a tiny town, it only has 2 houses and 2 garbage cans. No, just joking. But hopefully I can get some more trash bins for this thing. Okay, finally reveals its next bin. Oh boy, we got a lot of imaginary trash in there. We better turn on the crusher. Put the camera here so we can watch the crusher. There. 2 imaginary houses' trash has been taken out. Let's take this tiny load to the dump. I can't figure out how to use the crusher on this thing, so imaginary trash falls out. Oops. That's all for today's video. Have a good day. Give me that camera. Goodbye.
You did it. You put me on YouTube. No.
Okay.